welcome to Crafty Little Things. It's been a while since I've done anything crochet related. It's been a while since I've done much really because I've been moving and all sorts have been happening. But I really want to get back into crocheting. If you've not noticed, the eagle-eyed among you, I've rebranded my channel. I'll be doing a new channel trailer soon as well and updating that. I need to update my About Me section, but I've made everything the same now across my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everything. So from now on, I will be sharing my crochet work also on my Facebook page, which was formerly a papercraft only page. And I'll also be sharing my crochet on my blog, which was only for papercraft as well. So now that just means that I can just keep doing what I love doing and not having to repeat myself, not having to keep my eye on too many accounts. So I'll link all that below. Yeah, so Big and Little Crochet, this is where we're at. I've got 4 books here that I've not even looked at yet. I've got this massive stack of yarn here that obviously needs using up for hexagons. If you're not aware, Big and Little Crochet is a part work. I'm not endorsed. I don't get gifted anything. I am a normal subscriber and I just do this because I enjoy doing it. And I've been obviously around since book 1 and we're now at book 37. It's a part work. It has patterns. You get 2 books each month. I pay $11.98 a month. That includes postage, and I think I'm a premium subscriber, which means I also get throughout the year, I think I get 2 or 4 projects, special projects, I don't know, the materials and the pattern for special projects. Yeah, you get gifts periodically, like this lovely little duffel bag. You get your crochet hook that you need for all your hexagons. You get a little kit. I've had all sorts of things. And it builds up into a lovely collection, and each book has patterns that are along a theme. This one's bright and breezy, and with nice pictures and easy to follow instructions. And then there's like a stitch masterclass. There's a glossary at the back, and also each book has a pattern for a hexagon that eventually will turn into this lovely throw. We've done about half of the throw, I think. So you have 13 shapes, and then you have a stitching together tutorial, and then you go at it again. And you also get the yarn sent to you, which is a lovely cotton. I think it's either a DK or an Aran cotton that you get sent to you with the books, and you hold on to that and use that to make up your designs. So what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to flick through these books, and then I'm going to make the 4 hexagons one at a time, obviously. So this one, the first thing we've got in here, this is bright and breezy theme. So we've got the yarn cake shawls. That's made from one yarn cake, which yarn cakes usually change colour. This is crocheting using plastic bags. You can crochet using so many different things: leather, string, old t-shirts, yarn, anything. Rose garden cushion, that's pretty, isn't it? It's really pretty simple as well, that. Nice and straightforward. Then here's the 3 colour fan stitch, so that's one of the special stitches, sort of the Masterclass Pom Pom Garland. That looks pretty easy to do. Lovely beret there. I might try doing that for Ben's Beanies. Oh, by the way, those of you that followed along with the Ben's Beanies project last year, Ben's Beanies challenge, we're starting it again this year. We're just getting a few details ironed out, but the Facebook group is sort of active again. I'll link that below as well. I like that. That's really nice. What's that maid using? It does tell you which yarns you need as well. 3 balls of DMC Natura Just Cotton XL in cream. And then you need a 100-gram ball of each of the 6 colours. Very nice. Crossbody purse. Lovely harlequin rug. That's really nice. And a colour block cardigan. And then there's our throw. So that's the Blush Puff Star Hexagon. That'll be the one I'll be making next. And book 35 is Summer. Some people I've seen complain that the books come out, they're too seasonal, if you like. So the summer book comes out at summer, the Christmas book comes out at Christmas, and of course crochet can take some time, so it will be handy to have them a little bit sooner. Yeah, I kind of agree with that in some ways, but I also think these books are a collection to keep, so it gives you plenty of time to get a heads up on next year. Some things are ghastly and I wouldn't dream of having in a million years, like that for instance. That cushion's gorgeous. Patio placemat set, that's really nice. I could do one of them. In fact, I could definitely do one of them. I might make myself one of those. Decorative motifs to stick on just about anything. Little lacy jar covers, they can look gorgeous, especially if you put a tea light in. I'm actually going to do a tutorial on a plant pot holder that you can hang, and I was going to sort of say that in that you could just put a jar and just hang it with a tea light in it. Rainbow zip pouch, beaded door curtain. One of my most popular videos ever has been the crochet door curtain from one of these that I adapted from one of these patterns, and that is absolutely gorgeous. That's even easier than the one I did. I might have a go at that actually, see if my daughter's got some beads I can pinch. Wedding gloves, oh lovely for one of those sort of shabby chic style weddings. Shaping, Masterclass, and the throw, teal petals hexagon. I'll be doing that one after I've done the one from the book before. Book 36 is the summertime wardrobe. You see what I mean? If you're going to be making clothes, they can take a long time. So really, for a summertime wardrobe, you needed this sooner, but no problems. Make something for next year. You've still got time to make something for this year. Simple striped shopper. That's lovely. I like making bags out of crochet because they're so handy and reusable, and they fold up really small. That's a good idea. That's beaded edging for a skirt that you can stitch onto a plain skirt. It's nice to customise things sometimes. Punch edged cowl, that's nice. Masterclass is cluster stitches. That's nice. It's very nice. Raise the back vest. Striped summer dress. It's lovely. People think about crochet probably being too hot to wear in the summer, but if you use bamboo yarn or cotton yarn, it's going to be really cool. And of course it's got lots of holes in it, so it's nice and airy. Yeah, this is a bamboo cotton mix, so it'll be nice and cool. A white lace cuff, might look nice with some beading on it. That's nice, that poncho, I like that. Nice little cover up. The slit sleeve mesh top, so like a cold shoulder top, that's really pretty. And Shaping Masterclass number 2 with the petal hexagon. Petal's the colour of the yarn, it's this one here. And then book 37, Seaside Sizzlers. Oh, so we've had lots of summer projects here in these books, which you'd expect. Beach headband, that's quite pretty, it's nice for festivals and things. A pink crocheted crab, that's cute, that's fun. A rope handle, oh I like that, that's really nice. When you've got kids, and or even if you haven't got kids, when you go to the beach or on picnics and things, crocheted bags are really useful because, like I said, once you've eaten everything or drank everything or used everything, they fold up really small and you can just shove them in a pocket or something, or you can shove them in like your normal handbag or whatever. the other thing is that things, when you go to picnics and the beach and stuff with kids and whatever, things can get very sticky. So you know, you get drinks on things, sun cream on things, and they're great because you can just take them home, throw them in the wash, shake them out, throw them in the wash, done. And then they can be used again. Upcycled flip-flops, they're cute. They're really cute. Just a cheap pair of flip-flops made to look special. A striped bikini, that's pretty. In fact, that's really nice. Oh, that's nice. A long summer vest. That's really pretty. Oh, it's made up of all tiny little flowers. I might have a go at that. A wraparound beach skirt. That's quite nice. That's nice. Blue halter-neck top. That's really pretty. And there's Shaping Masterclass number 3, and our throw is the grey flower hexagon. Okay, so that's my little just flick through of the 4 books. And then if you want to see any others, there's a playlist with everything Big and Little Crochet in it. But I am going to now go on and make the hexagon from book 34. So that will be a separate video that as soon as I've got it done and edited, I will upload, and then 35, 36, 37, and then we'll be on track with those. Okay, thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you really soon. Bye bye.